Hello, everybody. Am I visible? Can y'all see me?
Yeah, we see you.
Okay, perfect. Sorry. My dishes represent just a love of cooking that I developed from my grandfather, who was a army trained master chef, who also opened a restaurant here in Orlando, Florida, back in the early 50s or 60s. Um, my grandfather had a fourth grade education and went into the military, served the country, came out, and just continued with that passion. Um, I lived with him from about the time I was 10 years old until I actually went into the army myself. My grandfather could not cook in small numbers because he learned how to cook in the military for all the people. And so we both have this thing where we cook so much food and just have people over. My house was the community house when I was growing up. I think my favorite thing that my grandfather made for me was a steak and potato, which is that middle picture that is shown there. The picture on the left are oxtails that I learned how to cook from him. And then the picture on the right is flankin and looks like French fries and some coleslaw because we try to balance out protein, veggie, carb. Um, I absolutely love food. And if it hadn't been for my grandfather, I definitely would not have developed this love. I feel like our love language is cooking food for other people and having them enjoy food. My children's favorite thing right about now are the oxtails and the flankin. Again, my personal love is the steak and the potato. But I have a 5-year-old. Well, I have six children, ages 23 down to five. And there's a 14-year gap between the five and the 19-year-old. So with Nyla, currently she loves to help in the kitchen and try to, Mommy, can I crack eggs and can I stir and can I help you? So we count out how many people we're serving. And let me tell you, the only time that my grandfather and or I could make cook in small numbers is when we were making something like a steak and a potato or a veggie, because then it was like one person per steak. So Nyla will count out how many people are home when we're cooking dinner and how many items we need when it's a potato. She will help me with rice by pouring things like the rice into the cup, and then we stir the 1 cup of rice or 2 cups of rice into the pot of this many cups of water. So we do measurements that way, but we almost always, unless it's a steak, we always have leftover. And so there's always room at my table. If you're ever in the area, please stop by and let us know because you don't even have to let me know you're coming. There will definitely be more than enough food.